Hello guys, I'm Bags.
And I'm President Ross. And today we are going to pick up something cool that I saw on, where was it from, baby? Facebook Marketplace. It is a total solar eclipse Indiana refrigerator magnet. A guy is selling and hand painting for $5 on Facebook, and he lives about 8 miles from us. And we are going to start doing a total solar eclipse video series, aren't we, baby?
Yep.
So make sure you subscribe, like, share, and come to our live stream as well, where we will be streaming us cooking steaks and mashed potatoes and all kinds of food during the total solar eclipse, because Indiana, specifically our area, is in the path of totality, and we're going to be live streaming it. If you want to join the live stream and chat with other people, if you're working and cannot make it, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you can watch our series leading up to the total solar eclipse, and also the live stream of the total solar eclipse in Indiana. And we are headed to the bank right now to go get the money, to meet up with the guy, and we're going to kind of record a little bit of what's going on. So keep on watching.
These people are probably wondering what we're doing.
They probably are. Little do they know that we're about to buy a total solar eclipse refrigerator magnet. Ooh. Ooh. I'm digging the money now. The guy finally responded back, and we are headed to a Hardee's. I know a lot of people don't know what Hardee's is, and some people know it as Carl's Jr.'s, and a lot of them are disappearing, especially in our area and all across the USA, due to financial issues and low quality of food service. But we are headed there now to hopefully get this magnet, and we are very excited. How excited are you, baby, to get the magnet?
Excited.
So am I. Let's go.
We're at the Hardee's.
And we are waiting on them. They are in a black town van, whatever that means. And hopefully they show. Oh, that's him right there. All right, I'm getting ready to get out.
Love you.
I love you, babe. Everyone, we got this awesome magnet. Just take a look at it. It's the state of Indiana with the path of totality, April 8th, 2024, and he paints them all by hand, and he's been selling them. It's gonna be awesome. We'll put it up on our refrigerator when we get back home.